Okay, Robocode time. So Robocode's quite interesting. First, we have to download Robocode. Okay. Yes, I mean to download it. All right. So it's actually pretty cool. You just download Robocode, click on the link, and then here we go. Download Robocode will start in 3, 2, 1. I don't want that. And then save it. Okay, it's gonna saving. Robocode is a really cool game that you play against other people. In the department, we actually play against each other as a department. Anybody in the department, college, university can compete. And we compete every spring and every fall. It's a lot of fun. I try and improve my robot, and there's it's a lot of good strategy. Basically, you're making an artificial intelligence. So I hope that doesn't scare you. The whole thing about making a robot is really it's just a lot of fun. There's a lot of points involved, and as soon as it downloads, we'll actually be able to figure out how it all works. So it's now downloaded, I think. All right, 5.6. Yay, it's done. It's good to go. All right, and then I'm going to double click on the Robocode. Okay. Okay, we're downloading. Okay, we're going to put it in that particular place, and then you just say yes. I already have it there, so let's go ahead and go through there. So documents, and then close up the browser. Okay, now in Windows, once it's installed, you just go to Start menu and find Robocode and click on Robocode, and it'll start for you. In Linux or in Windows, go to our Robocode. And Mac or Linux, we find robocode.ch. It'll be in the Robocode directory. Double click on that. All right, it says all this stuff, whether it's Windows or in Linux or Mac. And here we go. All right, so this is Robocode. If we were to already have some, so we'll have some samples. I'm going to just select some, add, and start the battle. As you can see, it's pretty cool. The tanks just go around hitting each other, firing at each other. You can set how fast they go, how slow they go. There's lots of great things that you can do. All right. And there are a bunch of example robots that you can look at, and I don't mind you looking at them. Just don't copy them. Get the ideas from them. All right, so let's go ahead and that's almost done with this particular battle. Okay, maybe a little bit faster. There we go. And then you can go super fast. And then you can see that this is round 2 of 10. There's going to be 10 total rounds with these tanks. And at the end, we'll find out who actually wins. Let's stop it and do a new battle. We'll do a really simple one here. We'll do ram fire. We'll move all these. We'll do ram fire and we'll do corners. Those are pretty good. And start her up. Oh, well, the ram fire just goes straight at it and blows it up each time. I'm trying to get this as fast as possible so you can see what it looks like at the very end. So around 9, 10, and then we finally have a score. There's a score. Corners actually won. Ram, you get damaged by hitting another tank, but it didn't win. All right, so how do you create your own robot? You go to Robot, and then you go to Source Editor. Now, what you're not going to be doing is you're not going to be using JGrasp, you're not going to be using NetBeans, you're not going to be using Eclipse. You really should use the Robot Editor. All right, so let's go back here, start over again, see how we got there. Back in Windows, you go to the Start menu, you find Robocode and click on Robocode. In Linux or in Mac, you click robocode.sh and it comes up. And this is the base editor. All right, to create a new battle, you do that. In the next video, I'm actually going to show you how to create your own robot.